Verifying your bank account with Greylock Federal Credit Union is an important step to ensure your account is secure and fully functional. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the verification process, collect all necessary information, including your account number, social security number, and any identification documents that may be required. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your Greylock Federal Credit Union online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an online account, you may need to create one or contact customer service for assistance. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, find the section for account settings or verification. This may be located in your account profile or under security settings. Look for an option that mentions account verification or linking. Step 4. Follow verification instructions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification completion. After submitting your information, check for a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You may also receive an email or notification from Greylock Federal Credit Union confirming the completion of the process. Completing these steps will help ensure your bank account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to reach out to Greylock Federal Credit Union as customer service for further assistance.